Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, student. And let's open this class by recite Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And this morning, I will explain about chapter 1, especially to increase or improve our knowledge about chapter 1. Yeah. And special this morning, we will exercise in the chapter 1. Okay, let's go to chapter 1. Before we make exercise about chapter 1, I will review about the last meeting. Yeah. Okay, I will make a share screen. Okay, the previous week we have discussed how to uh, make a solution about acquisition accounting. Yeah, there are two type of accounting association. Yeah, accounting acquisition accounting. The first is acquisition asset, and the second acquisition stock. Yeah. Okay. Before we doing the answer of question or exercise, we have to know about how the type of that question. Yeah, it is a acquisition asset or acquisition stock. Yeah. Okay. If we know about that, it is the type of uh, question is acquisition asset. There are two steps. Yeah. The first is to make calculation. The end of the calculation, yeah, to determine, yeah, how many goodwill, yeah. Okay, because calculation is consists of cost of investment, fair value of net asset, and book value of net asset. And the difference about cost of investment and fair value of net asset is goodwill. Okay, after we get the goodwill, so the next step is to make journal. Yeah, of course, the journal, yeah, there is a goodwill. Yeah, okay. It is a cash, receivable, inventory, building, equipment, land, and the credit is current liability and common stock. And the last account is additional paid in capital. Yeah, EPIC is additional paid in capital. And common stock come from the total share times the fair value or nominal value. But if the question is a second type, it is a acquisition stock. Yeah, only we make a one step. Yeah, it is a journal. Yeah, and the journal is consists of two kind. Yeah, debit and credit. The debit, yeah, the the debit is investment in X stock because acquisition stock. Yeah, so you must make a con is a investment in PTH, for example. Okay, let's go to the next exercise. Yeah, please open your book on page uh, 35. Yeah, 35. E121 combined balance sheet. Okay, please open your book on page 35. Yeah, E121. Yeah, combined balance sheet. Okay, let's go to discuss about solution of this exercise. The following balance sheet were prepared for Adam Corporation and best company on January 1st, 20x2, just before they enter into a business combination. Okay, and this table is a balance sheet between Adam Corporation and Best Company. Each of these corporation consists of book value and fair value. The Adam Corporation and Best Company. Okay, next, Adam acquire all of the best companies' asset and liabilities on January 1st, 20x2 in exchange for its common share. Adam issued 8,000 shares of stock to complete the business combination. Acquire, prepare a balance sheet of combined company immediately following the acquisition, assuming Adam shares were trading at $60 each. Okay, this is a question of that book. Okay, first, the first step, you have determined it is a acquisition asset or acquisition stock. It is acquisition stock or acquisition asset. Okay, please understand first, understand the question. Understanding it is a acquisition asset or acquisition stock. Okay, let's go to let's go to read this question. The following balance sheet were prepared for Adam Corporation and Best Company on January 1st, 2022. Okay, next, this statement. Adam acquire all of Best Company asset and liabilities. Okay, this is asset and liabilities. So it is the type of first acquisition asset, because there is a sentence about there is words about asset. So Adam purchase to Best Company by asset. Okay, so the next step, the next step, what is the next step? After we know that it is a type E, acquisition asset. The first step, to answer this question is make calculation. Okay, calculation consists of cost of investment, fair value of net asset, and book value of net asset. And after we get three kind of component of investment, next, the difference about cost of investment and fair value of net asset is a goodwill. Okay. The first step, okay, this is the answer on the question E121, calculation, the first step, calculation consists of three kind of component of investment: cost of investment, fair value of net asset, and book value of net asset. Cost of investment come from the total item, total item Adam share. Adam issue 8,000 share. So the cost of investment come from 8,000 pieces, time rupiah, fair value. What is the fair value? Let's go to the require prepare balance sheet of combined company immediately following the acquisition, assuming Adam share were trading at $60 each. Yeah. So the cost of investment, yeah, the total cost of investment is 480,000 come from 8,000 pieces of share or stock time 10 uh, time $60, yeah, $60. So the cost of investment is 480,000. Okay, next to the fair value of net asset. Fair value of net asset and book value of net asset, yeah. Fair value of net asset and book value of net asset. You just see the column of base company, not Adam company. Because Adam company is investor, but base company in investing. Yeah. We focus on investing, book value and fair value. Now we go to the next calculation. Yeah. How many fair value of net asset? Fair value of net asset come from total asset, yeah, minus total payable or liabilities. Yeah. So we get this total asset of fair value is 490,000. 490,000 times total payable or liability. Yeah. 50,000 and 35,000. So the total liability or payable is 85,000. So we get the fair value of net asset is 405,000. Come from total asset 490,000 minus 50,000 and minus 34,000. Okay, let's go to the next calculation about book value of net asset. Book value of this company. Yeah. Net asset come from total asset. Yeah. It is 330,000 minus account payable 50,000 and notes payable 30,000. So we get that book value of net asset is 250,000. Okay. After we get this calculation about three component of investment, so we can determine how many goodwill. Yeah. Goodwill is a difference between cost of investment 480,000 minus fair value of net asset 405,000. So we get that goodwill is 75,000. 75,000. And the asset differential is difference between fair value of net asset and book value of net asset. So we get that asset difference is 155,000. Okay, this is the first step to get goodwill. After we get goodwill, next step, yeah, we will make journal entry, yeah, journal entry based on asset that owned by base company. Yeah, this is a cash and receivable, inventory, and building and equipment. Don't forget that the value of this journal come from fair value only. Yeah. Okay, the first journal, cash and receivable. Yeah. 90,000 come from fair value of this company. Yeah. Next, inventory. Yeah. Next, inventory. Inventory on the column of fair value, 160,000. 100 inventory, 160,000. Building and equipment fair value, 240,000. Building and equipment, 240,000. And don't forget to write goodwill. Yeah. Goodwill, yeah. 75,000. Okay. Next, after we finish this debit of that journal, so we go to the credit account. Yeah. Okay, credit account in this company on fair value. There are two kind of account. Account payable, 50,000, and not payable, 35,000. So we deliver that account in journal. Account payable, 50,000, notes payable, 35,000. Okay. Base. Okay. And next account is common stock and additional paid in capital, where we use common stock. Yeah, where we use common stock account, because in the statement, yeah, in the statement, there are words here. Adam issue 8,000 share of stock. Yeah. So, yeah, to acquire or to purchase this company, Adam, yeah, issue 8,000 share of stock, yeah, not by cash. Yeah. Okay. Common stock, yeah, because Adam issue 8 share of stock, so we use account common stock. Yeah. 65,000. Yeah. 65,000 come from uh, 8,000 share. Yeah. Total of pieces. Yeah. Of 8,000 share times. Yeah. In the acquire statement, we know that Adam share were trading at $60. Yeah. So the sorry, Adam issue 8,000 share time common stock. Yeah, common stock of Adam share. Yeah, this is a total per value of Adam share. Yeah, it is a nominal value. So the common stock come from, yeah, or is calculate, yeah, that by total share 8, yeah, 8,000 share time $8,000. Yeah, so we get the common stock is, yeah, $84,000. Yeah, and the last account additional paid in capital. Yeah, I think that it is a balance, yeah, between to make balance between debit and credit. Okay, record acquisition asset this company ya. Common stock come from 8,000 pieces of share times times $8,000. Okay, so we get additional paid-in capital is 460,000. Okay, this is a calculation, and journal, to answer this question because it is a type A, acquisition asset. After this step of calculation and journal, the next step to answer this require prepare a balance sheet of combined company. So we have to make a balance sheet of that company. The first column come from Adam company. Adam company come from the book value, not fair value. Book value because Adam is an investor. So we use the book value. Okay. So this column, account and Adam company in book value deliver to this balance sheet. Adam company book value come from book value. Cash and receivable 150,000, inventory 300,000, building and equipment 600,000, less accumulated depreciation minus 250,000. Goodwill, there is no goodwill, and the total debit, total asset of Adam company is 800,000. Next, account payable of Adam company 75,000, not payable 200,000, common stock 180,000, additional paid and capital 140,000, and the last account is return earning 220,000, and the total is 800 and 800,000 is same with total of asset. The next, this company come from this company in column come from not the book value or fair value, but come from the journal. Come from the journal. Okay, the first journal debit is cash and receivable 90,000. Cash and receivable 90,000. Inventory 160,000. Inventory 160,000. Building and equipment 240,000. There is no accumulated depreciation, and there is no dividend. And the new account is goodwill 75,000. Goodwill 75,000. Because this column based on journal. Next, account payable, credit 50,000. Account payable 50,000. Next, note payable 35,000. Notes payable 34,000. Common stock, yeah, common stock. 64,000. Common stock, 64,000. And the last account is additional bid in capital, yeah, 460,000 additional bid in capital, 460,000 retained earning. There is no number, yeah, value of retained earning. Yeah, after we make a column of Adam company and base company, so we make a total of asset and liabilities of Adam company and base company. And this column is consolidation balance sheet. The total of cash and receivable, yeah, come from book value of Adam company plus book cash and receivable of journal in base company. So the total cash and receivable 150,000 plus, yeah, 90,000. So the consolidation on balance sheet is, yeah, 240,000. Next, inventory Adam book value 300,000 and journal of base company 160,000. So the total consolidation is of inventory is 460,000. Building and equipment from Adam, yeah, company book value 600,000. Journal 240,000. So the total of building and equipment is 840,000. Less accumulated depreciation, yeah, only in the Adam column, yeah, minus 250,000. So the total consolidation is 250,000. Goodwill, yeah, there is no goodwill in Adam column, yeah, but in journal is 75,000. So the consolidation of balance sheet is 75,000. Next, account payable for Adam 75,000 and journal come from journal 50,000. So the total of account payable is 125,000. Next, not payable from Adam company 200,000 from this company of journal, yeah, 35,000. So the total of not payable is 235,000. Common stock from Adam 180,000, from journal 64,000, and total common stock 244,000. Additional bid and capital from Adam column 140,000, from journal 460,000, and total additional bid and capital is 556,000. Returns earning from Adam column 205,000, and in journal there is no retained earnings. So the total consolidation of retained earning is 205,000. So this is a consolidation balance sheet, yeah, after Adam acquire this company. The book value of Adam, yeah, total book value of Adam in asset must same with the total liability in Adam company. Yeah. The total asset of Adam is 800,000, same with the total of liabilities and equities of Adam, 800,000. Next, yeah, the journal, yeah, based on the journal, debit and credit is the same. And the total, yeah, the last column, what is the consolidation of after Adam purchased this company? The total asset consolidation, yeah, Adam and Best Company is 1,365,000. Yeah, it is some with total liabilities and equity. So this is the solution, yeah, about question in page 34, yeah, E121, combined balance sheet. Yeah. Okay, this answer, and I hope that you understand, and so it can increase your knowledge. Don't forget, yeah, to increase or improve your understanding about chapter 1. Please always make exercise in chapter 1. Okay, in the next meeting, yeah, we will buka first, ya, competent examination, first, ya. Next meeting, ya. Next meeting is the topic is UK 1 or the first competent examination. Okay. Okay, it is a material of chapter first, yeah. The focus to exercise, yeah, of chapter 1. Okay, I remind you again that next meeting, yeah, we will hold UK 1 or competent examination first by online. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. And let's close this class by recite Hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.